Hey guys, today is the first tutorial of the Pong game. I'm going to show you how to make a Pong game in Python using the turtle module. So let's start by opening Python idle, or I use Visual Studios. And let me just show you how it will actually look like. So I have to it's good. And it will look like this. And my arrow keys, I'm going up and down, and the point score is over here, score over, and the ball is really slow right now. You can change the speed. I put it really slow, and if I miss it, oh, why did I not miss it? Unless I done. If I miss it, it immediately goes out and gives a point to the opposite opponent. See, 1 point. So that's the game that we'll be building, and we'll be building in the turtle module. I'm going to be showing you how to and why. So let's start by importing the turtle module. Import turtle. That's the first step. Oh, 1 second, guys. If you're using Visual Studios, you actually have to write .py at the end as well. So Pong game .py. That's right. Now it should come out as colors. Okay, that's the first step of importing the module. Next step is that we need to create the windscreen first, like a screen. If you're doing it on Mac or Linux, it'll be exactly the same. So the windscreen. So we're gonna start by putting hashtag and set up window. And I'm actually gonna write Pong game part 1. Now to set up the window, simple. You first have to create a variable. Your one can be anything, WN, window, write the whole thing. I just like to write WIN. You can write anything, you can even write X, but better to actually be more specific and abbreviate it. So I write win equals turtle, that's the module we'll be using, screen with the capitalization. Don't forget the capital or else it won't work. Now, screen is already defined in the turtle module, that's why we just type screen. We don't need to do anything. It makes it easier for us. Now, for the next step, we need to actually make the window screen like the way we want it. So we'll start off by giving it a title. To do that, we'll do win dot title brackets speech marks, and then I'll do, or you can do anything. I just like Pong by Rayon. And now we need to choose a color. Now Pong games are normally black and white, and the background is normally white, so we do win. Or background is literally background, but abbreviated So it'll be BG color. Color is spelled like this even if you're in the UK. So BG color. That dot. We will also need to do the sizes. So win dot setup to set it up. Now with sizes we need to actually list what sizes it will be. So it will be width equals, I'm doing 800, I think you should do as well, and then comma, and then height equals 600. I have a code, sorry. Now we like to do the tracer on 0 because we don't really need the tracer and our program to get slower. To keep it fast, we're just going to put the tracer on 0 because we don't want any animation or anything. 0. Now if we run it, you'll realize it won't run properly. If I try running it, it'll come up and go. So you see, it went up and went down. So to keep it up, we need to make the window as a main loop. So win dot main loop, and then just from the title mode, and then it will stay up. Okay. For next week, we actually need to make a pen as well, because next week we're going to be making the paddles and stuff. So let's make the pen. So the pen, in the turtle module, the turtle is the pen, so it's literally going to be turtle, which is the module, and then turtle with a capital T. Turtle. And then bracket close to define it. The pen speed, we don't actually want the pen speed because we're going to be drawing it and then moving it with keyboard binding. So with the pen speed, we just want to keep on 0. And we need to do a pen color. So as I told you before, Pong is normally black and white. You can do any color, but I'm going to do white. So pen color, it's not BG color because it's not background color, it's just color. It's going to be white. Now pen up, I'm going to keep the pen up so it doesn't actually draw across the screen and stuff. Pen up. And we want to hide the turtle because we don't want the turtle to just stay in one corner on the screen. We just don't want to see it at all. So to hide it is literally hide turtle. So pen dot hide turtle, and you want the pen to start off at 0 to 260. If you're doing the same size screen as me, the same size of window, then it will be the same. If you're not, then you'll have to adjust it a bit, or you can keep it the same, but then next time you have to adjust it a bit. So pen dot go to 0, 260, and that literally just takes it to 260. Now that's it, our pen's ready for next week when we'll be drawing the paddles. Thank you for watching, and bye. Please subscribe.